A big revelation coming in on the Pune Porsche car crash case. After the crash, parents were asked to blame the driver instead. After the accident, Vishal Agarwal and his wife allegedly called the driver, asked him to take up responsibility and say that he was driving in exchange for a reward. The driver then gave a statement that he was driving the car in the first statement that was recorded. The police now confirming that it wasn't the driver who was driving, it was indeed the boy, the teenager who was driving the car. And now they're mulling over adding Section 201 for destruction of evidence against Vishal Agarwal, the father of that teenager. A clear bid to frame the driver has now been foiled by the police. In fact, the police commissioner himself stating it and making it very clear that there were attempts to change the narrative of this case itself, but they've cracked down on the truth.
जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस जरूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पे जब वो घर से निकला था उसके घर के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास की जो रजिस्टर है उसमें पहली एंट्री है कि ये लड़का, ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी लेके निकला है। इस प्रकार के सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस और अलग अलग एविडेंस, टेक्निकल एविडेंस के तौर पे ये हमारी निश्चित हुई है कि ये गाड़ी ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज चला रहा था। इसके साथ साथ आई विटनेसेस की स्टेटमेंट भी हमारे पास है जो टेक्निकल एविडेंस को कोरोबोरेट करती है। इसमें हमने बताया कि इस प्रकार की कुछ अटेम्प्ट घटना होने के कुछ घंटों में करने का प्रयत्न किया गया था कि इसमें ड्राइवर, ये एडल्ट ड्राइवर ये गाड़ी चला रहा था और ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा था। इस तरह की बात सामने आ रही है। इसकी हम पूरी तरीके से तहकीकात करके
All right, let me cut across to Omkar Wable, who's been tracking the story right from day one. Omkar, this is shocking turn of events, and we hear the police very clearly establishing that the family attempted to tamper with evidence, made it look like the adult driver was driving the car on that fateful night, but they've managed to find the truth. Where is the driver right now? Is he in police custody? What more has he testified before the police?
Exactly, since the beginning, there is a second part of the story is mother of a minor accused and even the father Vishal Agarwal, they were trying to manipulate the whole investigation. Pune Commissioner has already cleared everything that they were trying to temper the evidences. So now Section 201, which is destruction of evidence, that is added to the final charge sheet which is going to file by Pune Police against Vishal Agarwal. So temper with the evidence is already there. And second thing, but most important thing is, always there was different kind of manipulation was going throughout the case. So even now, there might be chances that the driver will be interrogated again, because today police are going to produce all the 6 people which are related to the case. There are 2 managers, one father of the accused, and again all 3 are the bartenders and assistant managers. They'll be produced in front of session court by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But interestingly, police confirmed that India Today's news that yes, the book records and the record book, total records are received and they are taken from the watchman of the bungalow where the minor used to stay in Pune, Vadgaon, Sheri area. So police have all the records and now they're claiming the driver wasn't on the driving seat when accident was happened. So yes, driver was there. Pune police has already seized different CCTV footages from different locations where the minor were partying all the time. But finally,
we have some more sensational details that's coming in. Right, minor was indeed driving the case, but stay with us. Some sensational interrogation details that we have here on India Today. The minor's father says that he wasn't aware that his son drinks alcohol. Vishal Agarwal states that he is not aware if his son consumes alcohol. He says that that he wasn't even aware of the specific incident, the state in which his son was in, and that he has no idea whether his son drinks alcohol or not. Omkar still with us. Omkar, this is another shocking statement coming in by the father saying that he has no clue that his son drinks alcohol. Well, the fact is that his son has been pub hopping and spending huge sums of money in different bars with a whole bunch of friends. And his father says, I have no clue that my son drinks alcohol. Isn't there a bit of, is there any reality to what he says?
Exactly, this thing is mentioned in the bail application of accused Vishal Agrawal, that he is confirming that he wasn't aware that the minor he used to consume alcohol that night. And interestingly, there are two things. First, the car was the minor was driving car at the accident when accident happened in Pune Vadgaon Sheri area. And second, in the bail application of accused, which is he's going to produce in front of court in next 1 or 2 hours, but before that we have application, bail application, which is they're going to file in the session court. And in the session court, in the bail application, they're claiming that he wasn't aware the minor was drinking alcohol that night.
Right. So, of course, the parents, as much as possible, are trying and attempting to save the son. It's but natural that this would be the reaction of the family, but to try and tamper with evidence, that's really shocking. To make it look like as if the adult driver was driving the car at this point is another criminal charge altogether.